The space race, a defining chapter in human history, emerged as a fierce competition between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War era. Spanning from the late 1950s to the late 1960s, this monumental race to conquer space represented not only technological prowess but also an ideological conflict, shaping the trajectory of space exploration for generations to come. At the heart of the space race lay the Soviet Union's groundbreaking launch of Sputnik 1 in 1957, and it was the world's first artificial satellite. This monumentous event stunned the world and triggered a sense of urgency within the United States, propelling them to establish NASA to initiate their space program. Significant milestones marked the ensuing rivalry between the two superpowers. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to journey into space aboard the Vostok 1, further cementing the Soviet Union's lead. However, the United States swiftly responded with Project Mercury, which saw Alan Shepard becoming the first American in space the same year. One of the most iconic moments in the space race occurred in 1969, when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin set foot on the lunar surface during NASA's Apollo 11 mission. This historic achievement not only fulfilled President John F. Kennedy's vision of landing a man on the moon, but also signals America's triumph in the space race. Behind the scenes, the space race was fueled by intense scientific research and technological innovation. Both nations invested heavily in developing rockets, spacecraft, and other technologies, leading to remarkable advancements in various fields such as material science, computer engineering, and telecommunications. The space race was not merely a competition for technological prowess, but also a battle for ideological supremacy. The United States and the Soviet Union sought to demonstrate the superiority of their respective political and economic systems through their achievements in space exploration, using each success as a propaganda tool to bolster their global influence. However, the space race also fostered international cooperation and collaboration. Despite the intense rivalry between the two superpowers, joint missions such as the Apollo-Soyuz test project in 1975 symbolized a brief period of cooperation amid the Cold War tensions. The legacy of the space race extends far beyond its immediate impact. It sparked a wave of scientific curiosity and inspired generations of future scientists, engineers, and explorers. The technologies developed during this period laid the foundation for a more modern space exploration, and it continues to shape our understanding of the universe. Moreover, the space race had profound implications for geopolitics and international relations. It accelerated the pace of technological innovation and spurred investment in education and research, influencing the global balance of power and shaping the course of the Cold War. The space race also had significant cultural and societal impacts. It captured the imagination of people around the world and sparked a renewed interest in science fiction, space-themed media, and popular culture. Icons like Neil Armstrong and Yuri Gagarin became symbols of human ingenuity and adventure, inspiring countless individuals to reach for the stars. However, the space race was not without its challenges and setbacks. Tragedies such as the Apollo 1 fire and the loss of the Space Shuttle Challenger served as stark reminders of the risks and complexities involved in space exploration, highlighting the need for continued vigilance and innovation. Despite the competitive nature of the space race, it ultimately paved the way for cooperation and collaboration in space exploration. Today, international partnerships are commonplace in missions to the International Space Station and beyond, demonstrating the power of unity in advancing humanity's reach into the cosmos. In conclusion, the space race stands as a testament to human ambition, resilience, and innovation. It was a defining chapter in the history of space exploration, shaping the trajectory of scientific progress and leaving an indelible mark on our collective consciousness. As we look into the future, the lessons learned from the space race continue to inspire us to push the boundaries of what is possible and to reach for the stars.